Let's explore the world of accounting with us as we explore the cash versus accrual methods, especially when it comes to rental income. Whether you're a budding landlord or just curious, understanding these methods is key for your financial knowledge. Let's break it down. What is the cash method of accounting? Under this method, income is reported when received, not when earned. If rent for December arrives in January, it's entered as January income. Secondly, deduct the expenses when paid. If December repairs are paid for in December, then deduct in December. 2. Accrual method. Under this method, income is reported when earned, regardless of when it's received. Earned December's rent but received in January? It counts for December. For expenses, deduct expenses when incurred, not when paid. If the repair bill is dated December but paid in January, you deduct it in December. Understanding these methods can greatly influence how you manage your rental property finances and report to tax authorities. Hit like if you found this breakdown helpful and subscribe for more insights into making the most of your rental income. Don't let accounting methods confuse you ever again.